Hello, this is the Eye of the Swarm, and today we're gonna have a look at the Hasbro's ankylosaurus, which, it's just to say it's the best of the Hasbro toys, which isn't really a good thing. But anyway, they have an extendable neck, and if you press this leg, you can actually have the tail slap down, but it's permanently in this position, which makes it look like a stegosaurus, which makes it look like a scorpion. I almost said stegosaurus. Anyway, there's also this baby ankylosaurus, which really does not get a good idea what a baby ankylosaurus looks like, but I'm going to use it for that purpose. Made by Mattel, and it's much better. But anyway, this ankylosaurus is rough and bumpy, so it's not so I guess it works. But this wound is not that good. I like dino damage, but not when it's permanent like this in the Jurassic Park 3 toys. Yeah. And the limbs do not have that much articulation, especially this one. Super annoying. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's how big this ankylosaurus is compared to its older kin, as well as a stegosaurus, baryonyx, and parasaurolophus. Oh yeah, as well as Carapar and a Matoran. So yeah, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll soon show you something really big.